today's program, we have we have Dr. T. Rajakumar Singh, Director of W. Roshan Singh, Member Secretary, Manipur Pollution Control Board. I also extended a very warm welcome to all the community to honor our Dice member and to do the honor. And I also like to request today's inviting Sir Dr. W. Roshan Singh for the welcome.
Good morning, everybody. Climate change and today's chief guest, respected and today's guest of honor. My disappearance will be displayed. So thank you all for this training program. This training, all those officers who are in the field, who are going to.
Every festival now we are using DJ. Of course, holy time. Yeah, I mean, wherever you go, whether in mainland India, if you see all festivals, whether it is Durga Puja, whether it is Ganesh Puja, every time you have all high decibel DJ and then you create lots of problems for the public. So you give permission, you also deal with the drivers. I think if we implement this lane driving, that itself will cut down the noise like anything. Also, I mean, use of generator, now you have silent generators. So people have started using those. I mean, you have use of silencers. So the vehicle condition, if all these things are taken care, make people aware the importance of noise pollution in our life, I think we'll be doing our job and definitely will help in improving the health of the people.